All projects experience interruptions from time to time. It could be contract agreement delay, or it could be staff taking leave. Whatever the case, Microsoft Project has an excellent tool called the split task function, which allows us to represent and account for these interruptions in our schedule. In this video, we'll go through a worked example to help you use this tool effectively. So for example, we have this task here, task 38. It goes for about 20 days. Now we'll just zoom in a little bit. And we might be given a scenario where our resource, and we'll assign a resource to this particular task, and we'll assign John. Now, John may need an unexpected week off. So how do we represent this on the project schedule? Firstly, go to your task ribbon and then select split task. And you notice your cursor changes and a box comes up here highlighting where you want to schedule this start split. So we might highlight the scheduled start as 15th of September. Now click your mouse and hold it down and then move to when you want to renew or reintroduce the task. So we might say we'll move it to give John close to a month off. So 6th of the 10th, 8th of the 10th, 10th of the 10th, 12th, the 14th. We might stick to the 14th. And then release, and there you have it. You have now a break or a split in that task. So John is no longer activated in that task. Now how can we check that to make sure that that's been correct? Well, we can go up to our different views and go to your resource usage. And let's just see what we've got here. So John, rightio, we're going to scroll along to find where he was assigned that task. You'll notice here that he started the task in the week beginning the 9th of September, but the week beginning the 16th of September, when we had that break, you can see 0 hours have been shown there, and it's pretty much that way for a month until we recommence or reintroduce that task into the 14th of October. So I'm sure you'll agree it's a very powerful tool, excellent for balancing resources and for showing a true view as to what goes on when you have unexpected interruptions in your project. Thank you for watching. We'd love to hear from you. Please leave a comment and please subscribe as well.